So we have a problem here. A father is 30 years older than his son. So 8 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as his son. How old is the son now? So sabi, yung father daw ay 30 years older than his son. So ngayon, sabihin natin si son ay si X, then si father ay si X, pero may 30 years older. Then, ito yung now natin, present yan. Tapos, 8 years ago daw, the father was 4 times as old as his son. How old is the son now? So, bawasan natin to ng 8. So, 8 years ago. Years ago. So, magiging, ganito siya. Then, dito, bawasan din natin to ng 8 years. So, ngayon, equate natin siya. Simplify muna natin. So, equate natin siya. So, x plus 22 equals to x minus 8. So, nilagyan ko na ng parenthesis para i-ready yung 4 times. No? Kailangan natin i-complement si 4 times. Sabi kasi niya, 8 years ago, the father was 4 times as old as his son. So, dapat ang mapakita natin sa equation is yung age ni father 8 years ago ay equals sa 4 times ng age ni son. Kumbaga gusto natin ipakita na halimbawa ito si father, yung age niya ay 4 times son, ganyan siya. So 'di ba ito yung kay son. So x minus 8. Then si father, ito x plus 22 dito galing. So ganun ang ibig sabihin nitong equation. Gusto nating i-complement siya, no? So ngayon simplify natin. 4 times x 4x minus 4 times 8 negative 32. So dito, yan. So lipat natin si 4x doon. So x minus 4x equals to negative 32. Tapos ito lipat natin, magiging negative siya. So negative, ito unlike sign, so magiging negative 3x equals negative. Pareho silang sign. Patatandaan natin na pag nag-add tayo ng dalawang like signs, ay dalawang negative, it's equals to negative, pero mag-add pa rin silang dalawa. So, negative 54. So, divide natin si negative 3 para mawala si x. So, like signs, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng like signs at nag-multiply ng like signs, positive yung lalabas, no? Positive lalabas dyan. So, mag-cancel na yan. So, ito, magpo-positive din to. So, 54 divided by 3 is 18. So, ngayon si X ay 18. Yan. How old is the son now? So, yung son now ay 18 years old. Then, dito si father, kung gusto nyo makuha si father, i-plus nyo lang siya sa 30. So, father is equals to 18 plus 30 equals to 48. Ganun siya.